Hello everyone, welcome back to the Linux Beginner series. In the previous videos, we installed Ubuntu using WSL and updated the system. Now, before working with the files, it's important to understand our system first. So, in today's video, we will learn 5 essential Linux commands to check system information plus one bonus command at the end. So, currently I am in my Ubuntu terminal. So, let's get started with our first command. So, the first command is who am I? Enter. So this command tells you which user is currently logged in. So suppose you log into a server and you are not sure which account you are using. This command helps you to confirm instantly which user you have been logged in. Okay. The second command we are going to use is date. DATE. Enter. So this shows the current system date and time. If in a current scenarios or in your scenarios like in real time scenarios, if logs are not matching or your application is behaving strategically different way, you can check if the system time is correct or no. Okay, so next moving into the third command, let's type lsb underscore release hyphen a. Enter. So this command gives you a clean summary of your Linux version. So, in real scenarios, when you're installing software or debugging the issues, you often need to know your OS version. Okay, so if you see, this command provides you the description ID as a Ubuntu description Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS. What does it mean by LTS? It's long term support. Okay, and the release is 24.04 and code name is Noble. Okay, these are the details of your OS. Okay, so next command is pwd. So this command pw is nothing but present working directory. So let me give a enter. You see, currently I am in a home slash infra directory. Directory is nothing but in Linux it is. If you use Windows, we call it as a folders. So similar way in Linux distributions we call it as a directory. Okay, so this tells you the current location in the file system. If you're navigating multiple folders and get confused, this command tells you exactly where you are. So this is the way where we need to check the present working directory, nothing but by a simple command pwd. Okay. So the next command is very powerful command, which is w. We give a enter. Okay. So this command shows who is logged in, what they are doing, and the system load. So you might be getting this question when to use it. Okay, if you are managing a server, you can check how many users are active, what they are doing, and whether the system is under load or no. Okay, if you see, it's showing this as a uptime. Okay, 3 minutes. How many users? One user, and the load average. Okay, 0.00 for 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute. Okay, and if you see the user in detail as well, the infra user has been logged in. Okay, so terminal status is 1. Okay, logged in at 0.07.44. Okay, and the idle time is 3.29. So from, if you're in local it shows as a nil, but if you're using any remote server it gives you a IP here. Okay, so if you see JCPU 0.3 seconds, pCPU, I will explain you in the later session what this JCPU and pCPU means. And also if you see the bash, we are using the terminal as a bash. Okay, so now you might be getting a question, what is this who am I and what's the difference between W? Okay, who am I tells you who you are, okay, but W tells what everyone is doing. Okay, now coming to the bonus command, I will show you one HISTORY. So it's nothing, it's called a history. So if you see, this shows all the commands you have previously executed. If you forgot a command you used earlier, you can quickly find it instead of typing again. Okay, so quick recap. Today we got to know few of the commands like who am I, date, the LSB release to know the OS version, and the PWD for a present working directory, and W to know each and everything about the in detail about the system user. Okay, so now we know who we are. Okay, current time, OS details, where we are, what users are doing, and how to use the commands by using history. Okay, so these are very basic but powerful Linux commands where every beginner should know. In the next video, we will start working with files and directories in detail. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.